son, a daughter, hears the battle cry. No matter the distance, the horn bellows. Slavery must end. Out from the mountains and its caves, they fled. From hidden valleys their lips greased to pronounce Haiti, land of the people free. For equality, Haiti fought on its own. By its own hands, liberation was made. But anytime anyone fights oppression, they are Haitian. Mother of abolition, her children are all. It's August, 1791. Take your horn, take your drum, bring to me the pact at Bois Caïman, where the gathered proclaim, every man, every woman, every child shall be free. This, no slave rebellion, this, a war. I, Sanité Bel-Air, am not hiding in the vetiver grasses of my birth. When the musket comes, my final words are Vive liberté, à bas esclavage. Long live freedom, down with slavery. In Army Indigenous, the Polish defecting the French to fight on the side of abolition, a defining battle, Vertier. 3 generals rising out of enslavement declare independence in November in 1803 at Fort Dauphin, renamed Fort Liberté. The white ripped out of the flag. Freedom was not granted. It was fought for, the land taken back and renamed in the language of its ancient people, the Taínos, Haiti. Declared independent on the first day of the new year in Gonaïves, the Declaration of Independence 1804 of the first Black nation. Haiti has won one of its independences, the rest are yet to come. From its very first day, it was isolated from all trade, its Caribbean ties cut, and France, its predator, sends its gunboats to Haiti in 1825, demanding 150 million. It's not a ransom, it's a crime. Son, I hear America calling Haiti the poorest. I see they came, exploiting every corner of Haiti, and in their wake leaving poverty, disease, disillusionment. I see they came back in 1937 to help a Dominican dictator massacre Haitians. On the order of Trujillo, 15,000 Haitians were murdered. The 20th century's largest mass murder of African descendants occurred in the very land that made abolition. Here where I stand is a soil folding in on itself, bleeding, drowning in debt. Including the interest France has enjoyed, it's up to 200 billion. I see buildings made with grit and determination and longing for reinforced concrete and steel. But where can these be got when no one will trade with Haiti? Son, daughter, we lament her. The mother of abolition has been shaking in slavery's aftermath because the world can't stomach the freedom she made. In the very place of her buildings are slums, built on broken stones of earthquaking. On top of 200,000 broken Haitian people are 200,000 broken Haitian people. The slums and the gangs are twins, fathered by French thievery and American guns, once again feeding a legacy of wealth and of human costs. Kote Munyo, Mfawe Munyo. Where are my people? I don't see my people. They are in Haiti. They are here, they are there. When their feet are moving, their rhythm is undisplaced, woy. Cradling liberty in their arms, woy. Splashing the waters at Bois Caïmé again. Gain, take it. I haven't forgotten the pact to birth a nation free.